Hi friends, Mr. Michael here, and I'm a teacher at home. So for today's lesson, since we are talking about boxes, I have a lot of boxes around my house, and I found these 2 cereal boxes, and I thought it would be really fun to make ramps out of our cereal boxes today. So let's get started. For this lesson, you will need some boxes. So I have 2 cereal boxes here, a grown-up, some scissors, and something to roll down. You can use cars, you can use a ball. I happen to have a lot of cats at my house, so we're gonna use a cat toy today too. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut just this front part of my box out with my scissor. And like I said, you might need a grown-up for this because cardboard can be a little hard to cut through sometimes, even if you're an adult like me. Let's cut this open. You want it to look just like this. Okay, so that one part's open. I'm going to do the same to the other box, and I'll be right back. Before we even start building a ramp, let me tell you what a ramp is. So a ramp is something that is a flat plane just like this, but one of the sides goes up like this, so that something can roll down, and the higher you make it, the tilt of the ramp, the faster it will go. Okay, so it's up to you how fast you want whatever you put, a ball, a car, a train, whatever you want to put on your ramp. It's up to you how fast you want it to go. But the higher it goes, the faster it goes. Think about that. Okay, my hope is that it rolls down this ramp and then lands on that ramp on the ground over there. So let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, friends, well, I hope that you tried this at home. It was really fun to do. You probably have cars at your house that you can roll down. You can use blocks to prop up your ramps. You have a lot more toys at your house than I do. So I hope that you keep learning at home, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.